Love smoky, juicy BBQ? Today, I'll show you how to cook the perfect BBQ at home. Step by step. You'll need meat of your choice: ribs, chicken, or brisket, your favorite BBQ rub or marinade BBQ sauce. Season your meat generously with dry rub. For extra flavor, marinate it overnight. Let it come to room temperature before grilling. Charcoal or gas grill, tongs, a brush, and a meat thermometer. Preheat your grill. For BBQ, go low and slow. Set up for indirect heat. Place coals or burners on one side only. Place your meat on the cooler side of the grill. Close the lid and let the smoke work its magic. Chicken, 1 to 1.5 hours. Ribs, 2 to 3 hours. Brisket, for plus HRS during the last 15 to 20 minutes. Brush on barbecue sauce. Don't add it too early or it'll burn. Use a meat thermometer to check. Chicken, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Ribs, the meat should pull from the bone. Brisket, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius, and probe tender. Serve it hot with coleslaw, cornbread, or baked beans. Your backyard BBQ feast is ready. Like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Now go fire up that grill and make your BBQ legendary.